Hello, I'm Stefan Muth. I am the Product Manager for Sensor Technology and Sensor Switched Lights at Steinel. Step by step, I am going to show you how easy it is to start up and use our Livelink light management system. In the first part of this video, I will start by giving you an overview of all the parts of the Livelink system, and then I will briefly explain how to wire these components up. In the second part, I will then show you how to put the Livelink system into operation with your tablet. Here you can see all of the components you need for the Livelink system. The heart of the system is the Livelink control unit with integrated Wi-Fi router. Then there's the presence detectors from Steinel, the Dali lights from Trilux, and conventional switches that are integrated into the system with a switch coupler. Wiring up the system couldn't be easier. Connect the Dali lights and the control unit using a 5-core cable. Connect the phase conductor, neutral conductor and protective earth conductor, as well as the 2 Dali bus lines to the lights and to the control unit. The sensor and switch coupler are connected to the control system via Dali bus lines. Congratulations, you have finished wiring up your Livelink. Now take the tablet and program your very own lighting system. To demonstrate how easy it is to use the Livelink system via tablet, we have chosen to use this classroom here in Michelbach as an example. Now connect your tablet and Livelink control unit by Wi-Fi. You will find the Wi-Fi link on your tablet by going to Settings. Now start the Livelink app. By the way, the app is available for both iOS and for Android. And this is how it works. To start with, select Create Room. Now check whether all sensors and lights are properly connected to the system. 10 lights and 1 sensor will now be displayed for this classroom. Now tap on Lights. If all of the lights in the room flash, they have been connected to the system properly. This instantly tells you whether you have made any wiring mistakes. The same procedure goes for the sensor. In this room, for example, a sensor is installed that now shows it is working via the blue feedback LED. Next, select a use case. Use cases are predefined usage scenarios for specific recurring room types. For instance, there's a predefined classroom, a small office, or a meeting room. If you need a customized plan, we will be pleased to help you meet your specific requirements. For this room, we select the classroom use case. All of the lights that haven't been assigned are now displayed. Select a light. This light provides flashing feedback, so you can now assign it to individual lighting groups via drag and drop. Once all lights have been assigned to the lighting groups, all that's left to do is assign the sensor to a sensor position. The Livelink app provides predefined scenarios, for example, automatic mode, but you can also create many other different scenarios for your room. This is how it's done. Click the large plus and give your new scenario a name. Select a lighting group in the room. Here in our classroom, for example, we are going to dim the area around the blackboard to 0 and all of the other lights to 40%. Save this scenario. The new scenario has now been created, in our case, the presentation scenario. Once the scenarios have been created, buttons are allocated to them. To allocate buttons, click the large plus again, give the button a name and assign a scenario or lighting group to it. It's the button that has been allocated. Once the allocation process has been completed, the display provides feedback to tell you that the scenario has been successfully matched up to the button selected. If you allocate a button to the lighting group, you can switch the lighting group on and off, as well as increase and reduce brightness using the touch dimming function. After allocating the buttons, you now have to define a password for user access so as to prevent any unauthorized use. Completing the commissioning process, all settings are once again summarized in an overview. Give your room a name, for example, Classroom 8A. You have now successfully installed Livelink. Livelink is a new development from Steinel, innovation leader for sensor technology, in cooperation with Trilux, the specialists in professional lighting. What makes Livelink so special is its intuitive and straightforward handling, as well as the speed with which it can be used. As a result, Livelink takes the effort out of planning, installing and commissioning any addressable DALI light management system. Please contact us if you have any further questions. Let us inspire you.